welcome to Rineyville Elementary 25-26 school year for our open house. I'm Stephanie Breeding, the school principal, and I'm delighted to have everyone back with us, and we have tons of new faces. Welcome, Rockets.
Hello, I'm Heather Hack, and I'm going to be the new librarian here at Rineyville Elementary School. Now, you may already know me because I've been here for 10 years being a fourth grade teacher here at Rineyville. But this year, I'm making the switch, and you'll see me lots in the library trying to find your very favorite books that you'll just love to read.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, and this is Rebecca, and we're at Rineyville Elementary's open house tonight. We're passing out hot dogs and water and welcoming everybody to come back to school.
We have all of our outstanding transportation workers here that help drive the buses, the kids to and from school at Rineyville Elementary. They're helping parents discover bus numbers and route areas and such, and they have to work really hard with our kiddos. Those of you that are out there driving, make sure you remember to mind the stop arm, stop ahead, and also when you're in a school parking lot, drive slowly.
My name is Elise Hatfield, and I'm just here for the PTT, which is volunteers here at the school, and we're just getting parents information throughout the school year.
I'm Adam Combs. We're here for Rineyville Community Soccer League. We're for registration of this year closes on Friday. And there's a QR code here to scan, or you can go to our website at RineyvilleSoccer.org.
Hi, my name is Amy Hannanen. I am the prevention team manager at Silverleaf. We are here at Rineyville tonight. So all of our services are free. We are the Child Advocacy Center. So we provide therapy, prevention classes, forensic interviews, 24-hour crisis line, medical advocacy, all of those amazing things that we need, unfortunately.
Jaquita Jones with Helping Hand of Hope. We're sharing our services as well as any volunteer opportunities that we have as well.
Hi, my name is Daisy Carter. I am the director here for the after-school program, the school-age child care. At this particular time at Rineyville, as we want to say thank you to all the parents that come back year after year. So we are pretty much full, but we do have a heart for children, so families that are new to our area, we are trying to help them and maybe put them on a waiting list to see if we can assist them. So we are going to be here to have a great year with the students this year with lots of activities and fun while we're learning. So we look forward to it. Thank you so much, and we're going to rock 2025, 2026.
Hi, I'm Helena Bailey, and I go to JTA, but this is Cub Scouts / Scouting America, and I personally think it's really fun. I joined as a third grader, which is a bear, but I did advance to the troop. The troop is fun, but Cub Scouts is a little more fun. We get to do a little more fun things, but troop we do get to go to summer camp, and we stay for a week, but I enjoyed both of them. And just so you know, it's just once a week, and everyone is very friendly. Girls are welcome. We do need more girls. Girls need to come. We meet at Radcliffe Presbyterian Church, and it varies for den and troop. The den leader is the one who decides where and what, not where they meet, but when they meet, so it varies. It can vary between the den leader schedule and some of the scouts schedule, and it can also vary between grade level.
Hi, I'm Michaela Ray. I'm the family resource coordinator here. We're at open house here at Rineyville, and we have all of these donated items, toothbrushes, school supplies, tons of backpacks. At the Family Resource Center, we bridge the gap and help those who are in need. We have hygiene items, school supplies, we have food programs, we help with utility expenses, pretty much anything you need we can help with, so just let us know.
Hi, I'm Shayna. I'm the school nurse at Rineyville Elementary. I have a booth set up here for open house, and it just goes through all of the things that the nurse does at school, so we can help with sick visits, injuries, ice packs, daily medications. If your student needs to be swabbed for flu, strep, or RSV, or strep, or COVID, You can actually do a sick visit at school, and we can call medication in for you as needed. We have nurse practitioners that cover the county that can do any sort of sick visit that you might need. And at the same time, we can also do immunizations, sports physicals, anything that you might need. And all you have to do is sign our little consent form, and we can take care of you at school.
Thank you all for coming to our open house tonight at Rineyville. We've had an amazing evening. It is so awesome to see all the excitement children have to come back to school and start learning. Can't wait to see everyone.